We'll guide you through how to make ripple effect Davinci resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch the program and creating a new project so you have a fresh workspace for editing. Next, go to the Edit tab and import your video into the media pool, making sure the clip is available before you continue. After importing the footage, drag the video onto the timeline and place it where you want the ripple effect to appear. Open the Effects panel and add an adjustment clip above your video on the timeline, because this will hold the visual effect without changing the original clip. Once the adjustment clip has been added, right-click it and open it in the Fusion page to access the node-based editing workspace. In Fusion, add a displace node to begin creating the distortion needed for the ripple animation. After adding the node, adjust the refraction strength and spread settings until the distortion looks smooth and matches the style you want. Then add a fast noise node to generate the texture that will drive the ripple movement. Modify the detail, brightness, and contrast settings of the fast noise node to create a more natural and dynamic pattern for the effect. Next, add an ellipse node to control the area where the ripple will be visible. Adjust the soft edge and border width settings to create a gradual transition between the affected and unaffected parts of the image. After that, right-click the width parameter of the ellipse node and select expression so you can animate the shape automatically. Edit the curve used by the expression to produce a ripple animation that expands smoothly over time and creates a realistic water-like effect. Once all the settings have been adjusted, preview the video to check that the ripple animation plays smoothly. The final result. Go to the Deliver page, choose your preferred export settings, and export the finished video for sharing or future projects.